No explanation necessary here, but I can't help myself sharing this. If you're looking for a product that will take your hair growth to the next level, this is the golden goose. I tried those already. None of them ever worked. After about 3.5 weeks of taking the supplement every day, I began to notice a substantial difference in my hair growth. It appeared as though my hair was growing faster than ever before. It naturally nourishes my hair and it appeared to be ultra shiny, just like what you see in the commercials. I am not doing anything magic or any treatment for my hair other than these pills. This product does what it claims. My hair is growing, no more back pain or joint pain. Best brand so far. Will be repurchasing. I've always had very brittle and thin nails. No matter what I did, they always broke, hands and feet. I started taking these a few weeks ago and they are amazing. I wasn't sure they were doing the trick until I went to get my SNS nails off, and this is what my nails look like. First off, they have never been this long. Secondly, the strength of my nails was shocking. My nails would bend if I pushed on them, they didn't when my SNS came off. I was amazed. I immediately showed my mother-in-law. I'll continue to take these, and I've added biotin on top of this to help my hair as well. I am a very satisfied customer. This product is amazing. I love how looks my hair, skin and nails. I love it. Vital vitamins are so easy to take in the morning without the clumping of powders. I will be taking these on vacay next month and I am so happy I found them. The last collagen product I had was another brand that clumped so bad in my coffee. The capsules make it so easy to get the important nutrients I need after have a CDF with corpectomy surgery. I wish they told me how good collagen was for this surgery. But I found out on my own. My last MRI looked good and the doctor saw good results. I will be under his care for the next 8 months and I plan to continue to build my joints and bones. Collagen has also helped with my hair, the original reason why I started taking it. I lost lots due to Hashimoto's, and a friend told me about collagen. I have been taking the collagen for 31 days now, and I do see new hair growth at the hairline. Overall my hair appears fuller as there is new growth in the entire scalp. I am having to trim my nails more often because they grow quickly. I also notice less joint pain. I should mention that I started taking saw palmetto at the same time. I use Noosa Pure 1000 mg. Click link in description for more reviews. Please let me know the product you are looking for and I will check it for you for free. Make sure you check the description of this video for all supplement review. Please subscribe to my channel today. Thanks.